Kashy with the science kid.
Cash.
Hi, I'm Mommy, and this is Kashy, and we want to welcome you with the Science Kid! I know, I'm excited too. Today we're going to be playing with snow. Kashy, can you say snow? Say mucho frio. Can you say mucho frio? Can you say cold? Cold. Cold. The snow makes us cold. Can you say cold? Cold. The snow makes us cold. So guys, what we're going to do is build a snow volcano. We have a little bit of snow. We have vinegar. Say vinegar. Vinegar. We also have red food coloring. Mine. We also have our winter gloves. Kashy, you got your glove? Yes, you do. Show them your glove. Say, I got gloves. And we also have a little bit of baking soda. And we have a red glass. We're using our little red teddy bear, but you can use anything. But make sure that it will be able to fit inside of your snow volcano. All right, guys. Kashy, what we're going to do first is pour a little bit of vinegar into our red or our bear container. Okay? We're pouring the vinegar into the bear container. You got it? Okay, Kashy. Hold the container tight. Cassius, what I want you to do is take your food coloring. Kashy has the red food coloring, but you can use any color, but we really like red. Pour a couple of drops. One. Can you say one? One drop. 2 drops. Good job, Kashy. Quickly close your food coloring so that it doesn't get everywhere. Kashy, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and build a volcano. Are you ready? Do you have gloves, Kashy? Where are your gloves? You got your gloves over there? Well, here, you use Mama's gloves since you got your gloves wet. Here. Come on, Kashy. We got to hurry up before our snow melts. Put your hand in. Good job. And I found an extra glove in my pocket. There's a rocket in my pocket and I just can't stop it. I just can't stop it. Okay, guys. Hurry up and build your snow volcano. Come on, Kashy. Build. Build. Build it. Uh-oh. Say uh-oh. We're going to build it in the shape of a volcano. Whoa, this is mucho frio. Very cold. Okay, Kashy, we're doing a really good job. We're going to build it a little bit more. We brought some extra snow from outside. We're going to pack it on. What we're going to do now is place our bear inside of the volcano. And we're going to place all of our snow around the bear. Kashy, are you ready for the final part?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, after you have your snow in the shape of a volcano, you're ready to complete your reaction. Shake, shake. Wow, guys. Wow, Kashy. Look at that reaction. Whoa. Wow. It's still bubbling. Wow, guys. Look at that reaction. Kashy, you made a snow volcano. Wow. Let's pour a little bit of baking soda in and see if it still reacts. Oh, let's use a little bit more food coloring too. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, Kashy, now I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar. You going to help me? Hold the vinegar. You ready? Let's pour a little bit of vinegar. Wow, guys. Wow, Kashy. Look at that reaction. Whoa, Kashy. Wow. Kashy, look at that reaction. Are you going to make it happen again? Whoa, Kashy! Whoa! One, two, three. One, three. Count with me, Kashy. One, two, three. Wow, guys, look at that reaction. Good job, Kashy.
Wow, what just happened? Baking soda and vinegar have an acid-base reaction. Baking soda is bicarbonate, NaHCO3, and vinegar is acetic acid, HCH3COO. They create carbon dioxide, which escapes through the solution as bubbles. We have our stove patted in the shape of our volcano, and we have our little jar inside. We can add a few drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Add some baking soda. Wow, guys, look at that reaction.
Can you say bye, friends? Bye, friends!
What's your name? Kashy with the science kid.
Cash, cash.